Hey, what's going on, guys? Stuff here, back again with another video. So today I'd like to do a bit of a tutorial on how to make an automation program with Python, on which the program will notify us if it will rain throughout our day. So essentially a bit of the Venn diagram, so you guys will understand on what we are making today. Essentially we are taking data from the Open Weather API, which is the API that we're going to use for this project. So we'll take the information about the weather. So the program will run every 5 a.m. So while on every 5 a.m. it'll check the weather on in open weather, if it'll rain throughout the day, and if it does rain, it'll notify us through email, and we'll get to know if it's raining at around 5:15 a.m. So we could maybe grab an umbrella or just prepare for the rain. So it's going to be very easy, especially if you have any experience in Python or any other programming language. Is very much easy. You can do this without any experience on programming languages. You can just Google on how to download Python and other stuff, so, because it'll be in Python, this tutorial. So yeah, let's just go through right with the tutorial. Yeah, no time to waste. I'll just minimize this camera so you guys can see my screen better. And okay, let's just open. I've made the project on Python, and you guys can follow through. I've already made the project on Python. Here we go. So I'll go through this what I've written pre-written code line by line. So what I've just did, I just imported OS, so I can get the environmental variable, so I can get the environment variable or env to the Python text editor. I've got an import request and smtplib. So request is obviously to request the API data, and smtplib will use it to notify us through email. I was actually going to use Twilio, but unfortunately my Twilio account was suspended because I didn't updated it. I haven't updated it, so too late for that. So yeah, we're just going to use smtplib. Okay, we'll go right through it. Yeah, first obviously we got the API key for the open weather map. You can use your own API key. Yes, so pretty straightforward. You guys can just go to the open weather map website and get your own API key. So it's very easy. So here we go. There we go. So let's just go right through it. So we'll use this link to call our data. Actually, hold on 1 minute. Look at my phone so you can see an example. So what we are aiming is at around 5 a.m. the program will run. So it'll notify us if in around 5 a.m. to 12 a.m. it'll check around the time if for the open weather map API, if the data is under 700, it means it'll rain. So if it's more than 700, it won't rain. It won't rain. So we'll use the if statements. So we'll check if it'll rain, and if it does, we'll send it'll notify me through email. So easy, right? Easy. Okay. So yeah, let's just go. So first, pretty straightforward. This is my latitude and longitude location. You guys can find yours with Google Maps. Oh yeah, don't need me to do that for you. So first of all, we're just going to set some parameters for getting the weather data. So let's put on parameters. Okay. First, our latitude.
There we go. Our longitude. Mile. And then we'll use our FID or our API. Oops. FID. Or API. Oops. API. Okay. And then
we'll exclude. We don't need the. Exclude the current data. We don't need the minutely data. It's just going to be so much data. Our Python will run slower. So we also don't need the this doesn't need cap. This needs space. Daily. Okay. So there's our parameters done. Moving on, we'll get the weather response from the API weather response. Okay. Request.get. Oops, this is the minus sign. Sorry, I'm a bit sloppy. I just did the 100 days of code challenge, and I haven't coded for like 2 days, so I'm very sloppy right now. Sorry about that. Request.get URL. The URL. Oops. Yep.
the URL, we're going to use the API open with a map 2.5 one call. Use pretty straightforward. Everyone knows how to use it. It's like the open with a map is every programmer's first API. It's so easy to use it. Yeah. Set up the parameters. Oops. Parameters. I'm just actually going to
Yeah, straighten this up so you guys can see better. Parameters. There we go. Alright, moving on, we'll get the weather response dot raise for status. If it is, we'll check if the API is working. Okay, no problem. It is working. So we'll get the weather data. Weather response dot JSON. Easy, guys. And we'll actually check if it does come true. Print the weather data. Okay, let's run our code for the first time. There we go. It is working fine. The data from the API came true. Nothing wrong. Right, look at that. Beautiful data. We don't actually need all of that. We just need the data to notify us if it'll rain. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to check if it'll rain. So we'll put on a boolean will rain equals to false, and we'll get the weather list data. We'll put it on the list using for loop. Yep. For x in I. Oops. X for x in for weather data. Weather data hourly. Okay, hourly. So we'll check hourly. Okay.
I think this will work. So for index in range 0 to 12, it means that we'll check from hour 0 or 12 o'clock. 0 o'clock, 12 o'clock midnight to 12 at noon. So yeah. Weather ID. So we'll check by ID. Weather ID. Weather list. Index, which means hour 0 at first. Weather. Yep. 0. 0. ID. There we go. So as I said, if the weather is lower than 700, which is how open weather determines if it will rain or not. So if it's under 700, it will rain. So it will rain. There we go. It's done. Done now. So it's actually raining right now. So let's check if
it'll rain, just put in my email. Of course, it will be in EMB because I don't want you guys to know my email and password. So os.environ, my email, and my pass, os.environ, environmental variable, my, oops, so sloppy guys, sorry, with smtplib dot smtp, okay, smtp dot gmail.com. Oops.
So sloppy guys, come on Duff. What are you doing? S connection. Okay, fine. Connection dot start. Connection login. My email and my pass. Connection dot send mail to me from address my email to address my personal email. The email that will notify me. Oh, I mean the email that will notify me is the environmental email. So this is my personal email. So address, and the message will be we'll put subject.
It'll rain. It'll rain. It'll rain. Right. /n/n. It's going to. It's going to rain. Bring an umbrella. Yeah, I guess that is enough. So yeah, let's run our code. So if it'll rain, it's currently raining right now, it should email me that it'll rain. So I have my phone with me right now. Let's just go sort the tabs first. Sorry about this. Okay, I have my phone right now. We'll check. Let's run our code and pray it'll work. Okay. It says finish. Should I get a notification? There it is. It came true. You guys can see. There we go. Got my email. Let's just open it. See? Let's just show you guys. Okay, I don't know if it's so. Okay, it works. You guys can see it, but it works. So there you have it, guys. How to make your own automation program using Python and 2 modules. Very easy, right? It's so nice. It's so easy. So credits to my teacher, Dr. Angela Yu, for actually teaching me this first, so I can teach you guys this. So with that, I thank you for watching. It's been nice seeing you all. It's been cool. So it's been light. I'm Daha. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye bye.